Well, tomorrow, along with my crock pot lasagna, I think for breakfast I'm gonna have ribeye steaks. So I have my two ribeye steaks in this pan here with foil at the bottom. I'm gonna season it and put it in the refrigerator overnight. And for my seasoning, I have some melted butter. I'm going to put some steak rub on it. I have a little bit of lemon juice, onion powder, some minced onion. I'm going to put just a dash of garlic. I have some meat tenderizer. And here's some more steak seasoning. And of course, black pepper. This is going to be really, really good. I'm going to season it with all of this and wrap it up in foil. Put a little bit of lemon juice and butter up at the top. I'm going to refrigerate it overnight, and then I'm going to put it in the oven tomorrow. I'm going to bake it at 450, and I'm going to be ready to eat, everybody. I don't know about you. This is what you do during COVID-19. Some good, good cooking. You know, I really need an assistant here because I don't have a tripod with my camera. So I'm going to go ahead and season it here. Some pepper. And I'm telling you, my motto is, if you don't season it right, it won't be right. I have a little bit here, a little meat tenderizer, and the meat tenderizer already has salt in it, so you really don't need to add salt. I'm just going to put a touch of garlic, not too much. Then of course I have some good old steak rub, and I'm going to season it on both sides here. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you can see I have my ribeye steaks nicely seasoned with steak seasoning, minced onion, little onion powder, little garlic powder, pepper, a little bit of meat tenderizer, seasoned rub for steaks. And of course I have my butter and my lemon juice. And I'm going to wrap this up, put it in the refrigerator overnight, and it's going to be good.